Please welcome to the stage, Bollywood and Vine.
This is a huge moment for our girls. They're going for their 13th victory in a row. Abby's not here, and I really think that they want to win for Mrs. Miller.
And hair's blood has ransomed people for a whole guy. From every tribe and language, people, every nation. Where warriors are falling, there's a resurrection coming. It's your time to rise and shine. Wake up, you sleeping giant. The wounds of injustice are being healed by the peace. Oh yeah, who's bringing us power through unity. Where warriors are falling, there's a resurrection coming. Tribals come alive. Yeah, wake up, you sleeping giant. Your heartbeat, I feel it. Yeah, I feel your heartbeat. I feel it. Yeah, I feel your heartbeat. I feel it. Yeah, I feel your heartbeat. I feel it. I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. Yes, you are. Bring us together. Bring us together. We cry. Yes, you are. Bring us together. Bring us together. Together we cry. Yes, you are. Bring us together. Bring us together. We cry. Out, out for your heartbeat. Your heartbeat. Oh, give us your heartbeat. Yes, you are. Bring us together. Bring us together. We cry. Yes, you are. Bring us together. Bring us together. Together we cry. Out, out for your heartbeat. Your heartbeat. Oh, give us your heartbeat.
These girls were doing something totally different from what they normally do.